is never long-lived. The forest cobra. Reaching lengths of up to 3 meters, this is the largest of all true cobra species in the world. It is only outsized by the king cobra, which is in a genus of its own. Herpetologists consider it the most intelligent of cobra species in Africa. Should you meet one eye to eye, you'd agree. It has fixed front fangs and a lethal cocktail of cyto and neurotoxic venom. Averaging 500 milligrams in a single bite. Though reluctant to bite, if provoked, it won't release unless forcibly removed. If bitten, enormous doses of antivenom must be administered. Victims suffer agonizing pain, necrosis, and respiratory failure. Those who survive are scarred for life. Kurt's passion for nature has compelled him to find the biggest, meanest, deadliest snakes in the country. He's trekked deep into the wild to advocate the lives of the creatures we fear most. Snakes. He hopes that by risking his life to venture closer than most would dare, he can prove that these creatures aren't malicious and won't bite unless hurt or provoked.
Look at this. It's a monster forest cobra. This is 2.5 meters easily. One of the deadliest animals, period, found in Africa. Coming for a drink of water. This is an apex predator. Look at that. Not again. Wow. Just trying to move away. He is so powerful. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, he's so strong. Look at this. Yo. Gotta stay so focused. One bite from a snake this size is almost equal to that of a young black mamba. There's so much venom in the head of a snake this big that he could take out something the size of a young buffalo. So slippery on the rocks here. Oh, he's coming towards me, making a hood. So strong. So strong. Get a stay here. Yo. Look at that. Even on top of the rock, the snake is massive. Yo. He's almost too big to handle. Because he can curve back, he can get me right now. One big muscle, a deadly muscle. Not only is he big, but he's highly venomous. Look at that. Yo, it's making a hood of me now. I've always wanted to lift one of these up. The body and see if I can get. Look at that. The snake. Incredibly potent neurotoxic venom. All it takes is one bite and he will die from respiratory failure. Wow. That is one most amazing moment of my life right there. Designed to live here in the forest. I mean, a snake this big is easily 18 to 20 years of age. And they're quite shy and elusive. They will move through the forest. No one will see them. Just like a ghost of the forest. A truly incredible snake, and by far one of my favorite snake species in the world. Only really the king cobra gets bigger than this forest cobra. And the king cobra is almost in a different family of its own, so almost one of the world's biggest cobra species. And it just lives out here in the forest. Look at that. Oh, look how strong it is. Look, if I stand absolutely still, it's going past my leg there. If it wanted to now, it could bite me. This is quite a nerve-wracking experience, but look, as long as I'm calm, all you want to do is move away. Yeah. Such a powerful snake and designed to climb. You just feel the strength in this body. Look at, oh! That is amazing. Look at this. I'm trusting him with my jaw. Look at that, making a hood, warning me. Oh, he's so big. Look how he glides through the water. Also designed to just swim through water. Just the ultimate forest liver. Look at that. That is just incredible.